Hi folks, my name is Paul. I'm a consultant for Firenzecolor Products. I have a customer here that asked me, what can I do with my shower? And I said, well, we could remove all the problems and reinstall it all. And she says, I don't want any demo. How can we avoid the demo? And I thought about it and I said, here's the solution. First, we have to flatten all these walls. And by flatten, I mean these walls are so far out of plumb. You could see I could get my hand behind it here, but we're tight here. Similar problem here. So we're going to have to straighten all the walls so that the corners are square. That's number one. Number two, we're going to get rid of the tile, the grout joints, the problems that occur with grout joints, mold, cracking, etc. We're going to prime, prepare the tile, and then put a monolithic coat of plaster of her choice in terms of color over the walls to make it one solid wall. Reinforce the corners, try to eliminate any cracking possibilities. Next, the problem with the pan or the floor of the shower is she complains about puddling and water sitting there after her shower. Well, the level doesn't lie. We trust the bubble. It's got a space underneath here. So naturally, this is where watercolors, puddles, you can tell by the discoloration of the tile, that is where water is puddling. So what we're going to do after we finish her walls, we are going to repitch this and make it a monolithic floor, coupled with a new covering for the saddle here, again monolithic, so it will look like one piece of stone was put into place. It will be seamless, and of course it will be waterproof, essentially giving her a brand new bathroom without having to remove all the debris. That is not only cost savings, but it is also easier on the entire household. You don't have a lot of people coming in and out, where you dispose of the garbage, etc. We're pretty much confined to this area. I think she's going to love it.